Okay, now the most exciting part is let's get them rolling here. Let's get Cucumber and Capybara to be moving. So this is what's called, it's another fun part of this tool. Not as incredibly magic, it's colorful. It's a very colorful tool. So it colors the steps when you use them. So green means the step passed. This is of your scenario, right? The green steps passed. Yellow means you haven't implemented them yet. Red means it failed. And if it fails, it's going to stop there, so all the steps afterwards, it's going to color it blue. So the goal is to make this red, yellow, green analysis. You want to make all your steps green. Okay, make all your steps green. And the story is the girlfriend of the guy who came up with this tool decided that to make it all green, then cucumber would be a cool vegetable to name it after because you want to make everything green. I guess maybe she's vegan or something like that. All right, now we're going to do a live demo with Cucumber here, or Cuke as it's called. There's a screencast that you can look on, but we will see if the video lets me do the demo. Okay, so what we're going to do is do add movie. This is the one we saw before, and I'll show it to you in the editor here. So this is what we're going to try, and what we'll just start off. We're going to start off trying to run Cucumber on this thing, and we put this in the features directory, and this is add movie.features. So let's go to Cucumber, and you see the command Cucumber features add movie, and let's see what happens. Now, presumably, since we're doing the red, yellow, green analysis, this better not be all green, and it's not. Okay, it says right here at the bottom, we did one scenario, it failed. There were 8 steps there, 1 failed and 7 were skipped. And now we scroll up the screen. Oops, here it is. It says, given I am on the Rotten Potatoes homepage, and this is in red, so it failed, and here's the error message. I can't find the mapping from the Rotten Potatoes homepage to a path, right? That's what we should be doing to associate that. And now, not only that, this is like a navigator, right? It doesn't just say, you made a mistake, here it is. It says, now, here's how you fix it, Dave. Now, Dave, go add a mapping to the path.rb to fix that missing path. So it not only found what was wrong, it kind of tells you what to go do. So let's go do that. So that's the Cucumber page. And so paths.rb, it gives you the full directory name there, but that's over here. And oh, wait a minute, let me go back, I almost forgot. This is what it wants to find, so I'll make a copy of this. That's what I'm going to have here on my when condition. So I'm going to copy that now, and let me go to paths.rb, and here's where it is. And it says here in the file, add more mappings here. So you can see here's an example. Here's a when condition, and here's the regular expression with the hat meaning the beginning of the line. So I want to kind of copy that line, put the paths.rb, so I do that. Now I'm going to want to add this path. To figure that out, like Armando showed earlier, I'm going to run rake routes. Okay, and this is going to list what's on the page. So this is the index action. Here's the command get. So here's the path that I want, which is /movies. So again, I copy that. I go to paths.rb. And I add that after this with the quotes around it, right there. Okay, so Cuke found the message and then told me where to go fix it, and I use rake routes to do that. Let me go to the end there. Let me just clear the screen so it doesn't get confusing. Okay, so let's try it again, and it found a mistake. Let's try and do our red, yellow, green analysis and see if hopefully we made some progress. And it said, look, at the bottom, again, the scenario failed. We have 8 steps, 2 passed this time, 1 failed, and the rest were skipped. This one's got a pretty big error message. Wait a minute, no, this should be very similar, right, this one. Okay, so when I'm on the Rotten Potatoes homepage and I add a new movie, then I should be on the Create New Movie page, and it says, I can't find the mapping from Create New Movie page to path. And this kind of reminds me like a navigator, you know, when you're going in the car, navigator, and you don't follow it after a while, it doesn't seem like it starts getting mad at you. Come on, turn right. No. So this is like, Dave, damn it, Go add a mapping to the Rotten Potatoes homepage with the thing. All right, so telling me what to do. Okay, I'm going to make a copy. That's what I'm going to have to, oh, whoops, wrong command. Okay, sorry. There we go. That's right. Control Shift, yeah, okay, now I got it. Okay, now let's go to paths. Again, I'm going to want to say when in the beginning of the line on the Create Movie page. That's right there, when I'm on the Create Movie page. Now let me go back to the rake routes. And this time I'm doing new right here. And so this is the path I need, movies/new. So let me copy it. I go to paths.rb. Let me add that. Okay, so what I was doing is what we've done is added a user story around an existing something that worked. We were just adding an extra test to see if it worked. So let's see what Cucumber says. Let me clear it again. And run it and see if it's happy now. All right, green. All right, one scenario, one pass, all 8 steps pass, and you see it's green analysis. So cool as a cucumber, so they say. Okay, it was already existing. We didn't add any new features to it. We didn't add new functionality to the app. We just added a test to make sure it could do that, and we could see then we added Men in Black, it really showed up.